Say cheese. Say cheese. Not my hair. Not my hair. Say cheese. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Flora. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Please guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. This is just going to be a room tour of RUNO's room. It was his birthday today. This is the aftermath of basically the birthday. So I thought it would be a nice idea to do a tour of his room. So keep watching. Thank you. So guys, this is Ezinwa. Ezinwa is my friend, family, sister. Okay, alright. Ezinwa is actually going into the video. You guys already know Ezinwa from my birthday vlog. So it's the son's birthday and we want to show you guys the nursery because little baby RUNO with the arm has got a nursery to himself. Yes. So she's going to show us around. Alright, Ezinwa.
So come on in.
Welcome to my crib. So as you step in, look at the lighting.
Yep.
Yeah, really nice. Chandelier, chandelier,
Chandelier,
chandelier, chandelier, chandelier,
chandelier.
Okay, so how did you come about this wall?
Okay, so I found this on Amazon.
Yes,
I found it on Amazon. I'm not exactly sure how much now. I think it was like £20. It wasn't expensive. It's really nice. So to be honest, I just went online because initially I felt that the room is definitely too big for a baby because my son is only 1 today. So I just decided I didn't want to just put that crib there and leave the rest of the room
bare.
Bare.
It's
So
really
I just
beautiful.
had to put something there. So
Okay.
that's how I came up with this.
And that clock.
Oh, the clock. We've had this for a while. I actually bought this when he was born. I don't know why, but
It's really lovely. The numbers, so he can
yes.
And I think
I felt it would help him learn.
Yeah, it goes with the colors here as well. So this is little play mat. Is that what they call it? Play mat?
I think it's called the baby gym.
Alright. Fit farm. Okay, and then with the R on the door, what's the inspiration behind it?
Okay,
Why that color?
yeah, just something to personalize the room, sort of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just to zoom in.
Yeah. So everyone knows, like,
Don't
don't go in there. That's Runo's room.
Okie doke.
Yeah.
And then this little part over here, just part of the decoration.
To be honest, it's because we're trying to hide something.
Okay.
Yes. Because my husband actually set this up, so we're trying to hide a nail.
But it looks really nice.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Anything-
So we just had to put that there. Because my husband was like, initially I just put this one. I was like, okay, let me just put this to hide the nail. But
Yeah. Okay.
after that, we just said, okay, let me just put it like it looks like, there's something going in, like some sort of design. But
Nice. So this is the wardrobe. Any ideas around this? Can we open it?
of course.
Okay.
He doesn't have much clothes, but yes.
It's alright. He's gonna go. Oh, look at that! Nice.
Yeah.
So this is RUNO's. He's gonna be seeing this video in like 10 years time and be like, "That was my room, mommy." Can we open drawers?
Of course. I don't think you can open it with this one.
Oh, okay.
Kind of.
So that's that. It's just basic. Oh, look at he's got like clothes sectioned nicely.
Separate the clothes.
Separate clothes. Nice. And then the next drawer, it's got like Pampers and whatnot, which is nice. Birthday today, hence why all this presents here. But before then, this was like
Yes, it was just there. Nothing was there.
okay. And then he's got some books up there.
Just a few storybooks.
So do you read him like bedtime stories?
We try, but the thing is, when you're done, he just starts playing, so he doesn't go to bed.
Oh, okay. And we've got his little cot here.
Yes.
What? Any reason behind these colors, or you just chose them?
Nothing.
Nothing. Just it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this called? This yellow thing over there.
I don't know what that is, but it came with one of the toys, so I just
You
decided
just
to
had to distract him and then he can stop. Nice. And then just outside, this is the. What was the idea behind this particular one? Because I like the fact that it's not just plain. It has like good stuff.
Yeah, because it will help him learn like their words, and it's It was written on it like
scooter,
the bus, yeah, everything
bus,
is just
fire,
spelled out. So
new.
I
That's
felt,
nice.
yeah.
That's nice. Do you want to put the blinds up so we can see?
Yeah, we
tell
can see.
tell people that we're actually having a
Yes,
first birthday party, and the party just kind of finished. So that's the bouncing castle out there.
Yeah.
If you guys can see that, and there's some chairs on there. So Runo's first birthday, and this is Mummy Runo.
Hi, Mommy Runo.
All right, thank you for showing us Runo's room.
You're welcome.
And hopefully, when you have baby number 2, we'll be having another room tour.
Really?
Yeah. All right.
Next up will be your room tour.
give us a pose. Give us a pose.
People see me now, wanna be